it has been a spectacular experience. Imagine getting together periodically with New Zealand's leading chief executives, directors and senior leaders to talk about how you can make New Zealand workplaces safer, healthier environments, how you can make the economy more productive, how we can make our supply chains more effective, safer and more efficient, because it all joins up.
The thing I love about the Business Leaders Health and Safety Forum is that, of course, it forces you to think deeply about health and safety excellence in your organisation. But after attending an event or reading one of their articles, you actually end up as a better leader in every aspect of your role as a chief executive.
It's an incredible opportunity to connect across New Zealand with a common language and a common vision around, how do we help create New Zealand a safe, productive country, really. It's an opportunity to network, to share ideas, but more importantly for me as a leader is to learn, and to learn how other people are approaching critical risks. How are other people selling the why around, why do we care around people's safety? And I've learned a lot about that.
We used to have a mantra when we started the forum, which is, what can I give rather than what can I gain? And I still think that that's a really important part of what it means to be part of this collective movement. The compelling purpose that the forum started with, I think, continues to remain. And whilst we set up post-Pike, a global pandemic, COVID-19, only reaffirms the need, in my mind, to put health and safety and good health and safety at the core of our businesses and at the core of our leadership.
So what it's become is a business excellence forum, in my view, where CEs bring together their best ideas around culture, continuous improvement, and how you create a better, fairer, more equitable and more successful workplace in New Zealand, but also globally, with many of these companies operating globally. So it's been a real network to create ideas on how we create better business for New Zealand and the people that are affected by the businesses we operate, which has been fantastic.
It's access to great thinking, materials and discussion. I've really enjoyed working alongside my CEO colleagues and actually getting access to people like Daniel Hamadal and Todd Conklin, for instance. I guess the other thing is about being able to drive meaningful change, and that's either through advocacy. We've influenced major legislation, and we've been able to drive change in our respective businesses.
I love the fact that the Business Leaders Health and Safety Forum has become New Zealand's largest movement of chief executives, and it's done it under a health and safety banner. But I don't think it's about health and safety, which is why the forum's managed to grow. I think it's about people, and it's about better outcomes for people. But I think what the forum has done is it's a place of exchange. It's not a place of being told, it's a place of sharing. It's a place of learning, it's a place of challenging, but doing that together. We've helped change the conversation. We've been part of some important conversations across government, both independent task force, forestry and construction, and with some support of WorkSafe, and that work has got to continue.
It's been a fantastic experience. It's helped me a lot in terms of developing my leadership style, and I really enjoyed constructive challenge, often quite a bit of constructive challenge from my peers in the forum. What a fantastic experience, and look, I'm really looking forward to the next 10 years.
I've really developed through it as a safety leader, and I thank Francois and George and the team for really taking the Business Leaders Health and Safety Forum to a really strong place in the New Zealand business scene.